welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be attempting to make slime. So this slime recipe is a very simple one. We have Elmer's Magic Liquid. We have a heart-shaped bowl. We have a spoon that basically it's a cooking spoon, and it says "I will be yours." And then we have a lot of glues. Now let's get started. So first, we need to pour in a bottle of glue. Let's see which one am I gonna pour in. I'm gonna pour in this bottle of glue. I think with one bottle is going to be enough because that's so much. Now that we added all the glue in, it's in a heart shape. Now we need to add some activator. Whoa, look at that. Feels really weird. Whoa. And I think I need an activator still. Should have added a bit more activator. It's a bit still too. It's like, I think it's way too sticky still. I don't think it was ready yet, but it is really fun to play with though. Oh, it's actually getting a bit unsticky. That's good. Wait, let's see. We'll be able. Oh, geez, it's not pokeable yet. It's really fun to play with. Wow. At the end, if it does turn out, I'm gonna attempt to do a beautiful swirl. Oh, it's getting a bit unsticky, so I think that's a good sign. I think it's almost ready. We're gonna put it in this bowl. Yes. It's sticky. So guys, I'm back. I washed my hands. They're all clean up. So guys, this is our slime, and we're going to dye our slime a different color. We have red food coloring. We have green food coloring. We have blue food coloring and yellow food coloring. I'm gonna try to make my slime pink, because pink is my favorite color, as well as blue. So let's take it out. I'm just gonna add a little bit, super tiny, because I want it to be. Oops. Okay. It's on the bowl now. Oops. I don't think it's gonna turn. It's gonna turn a red because it dripped out so fast. But it is a really white slime, so it might turn pink. I'm hoping it turns pink. Let me take a piece out. It's really long. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is pink. So nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more videos like these, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!